Presenting to my sisters. A dress model, huh? In this model, you will have a shaker. And I have a splint on top. Tim, the button we put here. And the hand part is the normal hand. But it's going to be wide on the sleeve. And if you love this one, remember to comment, let me know. And give me another like. So now we're going to go into the design. And to design this template, I'll need to prepare the measurements. Shoulder measurement, neck measurement, bust measurement, waist measurement, buttocks measurement, and waist length. And now we're going to do it. First, you will cut your shirt. I cut this shirt long and it's 55 millimeters of gasoline. And this road in the middle, I used to paint in the road up here. I subtracted gasoline. I'll do the part later. Stealing of the previous body. And here we're going to build a perpendicular line. You will be equal to a few. Dividing 2 by 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. From this point I got 16. From this point. Then I dropped it to 4. If you take her and divide her by 30, 5 is equal to 6. Then you join in. If I lower my chest, I will be my chest. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is 18. So you start from the road up here. You measure down to 18. I built a perpendicular line. And then the chest. You take the chest. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From this score, you get 22. Then I'll take down the lower part. If I lower my waist here, it's 35. Across the street and across the waist, I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2, 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a road that was 18. Next up is the ass. You get the ass. Divide by 4 and give a pattern that's wider under the weight of 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to a plus 2 is equal to 22. If you take a line from this point, it's 22. And then I will exploded the part. And here you will be up to gasoline. And then we're going to put a line right down here. Then to gasoline. Split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. That's where we get the armpit line on the body. And this old model, you can see, is that it will have a slack. Then slowly start from the old part. You will slow down a bit. That's equal to 13 centimeters. Then you'll cut the tim. And then here, you can see it's got a degree. Lean over. Here you go, there's a gasoline. And it starts from the position of. This is the waist. Then from here, I'll bend this part out 0.2. Then you'll go straight down. You guys go straight down. You can take only 6 centimeters, give it just 8 gasoline. And from here, you go back to 4. I will beat this place. And bore on corner. That's it. 3 corners. We'll get the body first. Follow the road outside. Here. And the back part. We're going to practice. By the way, from here, you measure up to 2 gasoline. Then, next up here, I'm going to go in. No dots. It's not a 7, and you reduce it to this. A gasoline this asks you out is a gasoline. Then this ancient part, you build this road and this is ba. Then you make a straight line. I wear this style with a wide body, so I want to have to There is sugar Ben. And now I am. Cut the front part of the theater. The body first, it will follow the blue line. The back of the body follows the red line. Then we'll cut the back. Follow the road. Follow the red line. First of all, you will walk this curve. Put it in the neck. I cut the whole body first. Back body, so the front body you install scissors. I cut along the road below. And then I'll reduce it for the shoulder. Of the previous body is 2 gasoline. You will leave this part out. Then, the way across the armpits of the body later it will be smaller. The front is a gasoline. Then you reduce. Then the hip. I've added a little gas to my body. So this is you also reduce 1 gas. Then we'll get out at the same time. This theater is the front body. Previous part. In the previous part, you will multiply by 2. And this Arabic part is the back part. Before and after, you and well, this model will have a splint. Then you'll cut the splints all over the body. Give me 6 petrol. Then you're going to go this curve. Let's cut this splint. Then you iron the glue. Then we sew the clouds back into the body. Then I'll push the button. Then you'll press the button here. We'll do the button. We installed it. We just styled it, and I've just attached it to the body of my shirt. That's the front body, and this is the back body. With this pattern, if you sew it with this material, linen or bucket fabric material, I wear it very cool. So now we're going to draw the sleeve. The sleeve is this armpit. Before that, you also have to be small. More than 5 cups compared to the back. And now I'm going to measure the ring. Armpits on the body. Here you measure. Here I measure it as 21. Here I measured it. 22:10 plus 2 ha, and I'll cut the sleeve. Is it short-sleeved or long-sleeved? Then you'll take the long arm. Here, my arm is 55 centimeters long. And here you are. You're down with your chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. I'm going to draw a right-angled line down to 13. Then you'll get him the body first. Add it to the back. Is 4 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 1/2 of 5. Then you put the ruler in. Here's 2.5 dots. I split in 2. This way, you guys. Take the arm at the bottom. So I'll take the hand. Here you are from 14 up to 16 cubic meters of gasoline. Then I connected the armpit to this arm. And give it a little bit of a hug. You reduce. Here's a gasoline. We'll go the curve. And here you are onto gas. So now I'm going to cut the sleeve. Here you are. Look again. I made the whole shell today. For the sleeve, the front body. Then the back. That's enough Arabic for me today. We've been doing it together ever since. If you have something you don't know, please comment below. I will look at the comments and respond to you when I see the comments. Remember, this splint, I'll cut it off. Cut it off. Then you cut 2 pieces of top glue. Then we're lucky for this road. Then we sew the clamp except for the seam. The splint line, it's in the body. Back neck if you want to do a splint. Then we're also going to cut a 6 gas line. This sleeve if you. In the front hand, you'll cut down on a gas. In the back, you leave it. Hello and see you all.